Making grammar simple. Single word verbs versus phrasal verbs. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. In today's lesson, we're going to unravel an interesting aspect of English grammar: replacing phrasal verbs with single word verbs. We'll take a closer look at this, particularly in the context of simple sentences. Phrasal verbs are a combination of 2 or 3 words from different grammatical categories, a verb and a preposition or adverb. Examples include break down, get up, turn on, etc. They often take on unique meanings that are different from the original verb. For instance, break down means to stop working or to fail, not to break something into smaller pieces. However, there can be simpler, more direct verbs that you can use in place of these phrasal verbs. Knowing these can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Now let's explore some of these alternatives. We will focus on simple sentences, which have one subject and one verb. Get up can be replaced with rise or awaken. Instead of saying, I need to get up early tomorrow, you can say, I need to rise early tomorrow. Turn on can be replaced with activate or ignite. Instead of, can you turn on the light? You could say, can you activate the light? Break down when referring to machines or cars not working, can be replaced with malfunction or fail. The car broke down on the way to the concert, can become, the car malfunctioned on the way to the concert. Let's practice together. I will provide a sentence with a phrasal verb, and you'll pause the video, think of a replacement, and then play the video to see the correct answer. Please, fill out this form. Pause. OK, the single word verb could be complete. So, please, complete this form. I will look into it. Pause. The answer could be investigate. I will investigate it. He needs to give up smoking. Pause. The single word verb could be quit. He needs to quit smoking. Great job! Thanks for joining us in today's session on replacing phrasal verbs with single word verbs in simple sentences. This skill can help you diversify your English and add more variety to your language use. Keep practicing, and soon enough, it'll become second nature. See you in our next lesson. Remember, practice is the key to mastering any language. Until next time, happy learning!